Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll explain how to short cryptocurrency on Coinbase in 2025, step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Understand what shorting means. Shorting crypto means you're betting that a coin's price will go down. It's a strategy used to profit from falling markets, but be careful, it involves higher risk. Step 2. Know Coinbase limitations. Coinbase's standard platform does not support traditional short selling. However, you can access short strategies using Coinbase Advanced or by using inverse assets and margin trading via third-party platforms linked to Coinbase Wallet. Step 3. Use inverse tokens or derivatives. Coinbase Advanced may offer leverage tokens or inverse ETFs in the future, but currently you'll need to use external platforms like DYDX, GMX, or KuCoin Futures, all of which you can connect to Coinbase Wallet. Step 4. Fund your Coinbase Wallet. Transfer crypto like USDC or ETH from your main Coinbase account to Coinbase Wallet. Then use that wallet to connect to a decentralized exchange that offers short trading. Step 5. Open a short position. Once connected, choose the asset you want to short, select your leverage if any, and enter your position. Monitor closely. You can lose more than you invest if the price moves against you. Step 6. Close your position when ready. When the price drops and you're ready to take profit, close your short. Profits or losses will be reflected in your connected wallet. Warning: shorting is not beginner-friendly. Make sure you understand the risks and start with small amounts. And that's it. Now you know how to short crypto using Coinbase connected tools in 2025. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.